Welcome to do090.com. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy cheap airtime and data from our app, even when you are not online, or you don't have any sub to access the internet. Now, stick around to the end to learn how everything works. If you are on the dashboard, to buy airtime or data, all you have to do is to click on the buy button, and you will be taken to the page where you can make purchase. Then follow the instructions on the screen to make your purchase. If you don't know how to make the purchase, you can play the tutorial video on the app to learn more. But in this video, we will be talking about how to buy the cheap airtime and data via our bots, even when you are offline. You can also chat with us on live chat and get help by clicking on the live chat icon floating on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now let's talk about how you can start making purchases via our bots. As you can see, we are on the bot page, and you can see all our currently supported bots' social media handles here. You can click on the link to chat with the bot on each of their respective social media handle. Just read and follow all the instructions on the page, and as stated, you can see our bot username on the different social media handles. For example, our Facebook bot. If you are chatting with the bot on Facebook, all you need to send is hi, and you will be responded to automatically. To buy data or airtime when you are offline, use our SMS or Facebook bot, because you can use Facebook free mode on your phone as it's supported by many network provider. Then once you are on Facebook free mode, chat our bot via our Facebook page. From there, you buy your airtime or data. Very simple. Now let's test run how our bot works. In this example, we will be using our Telegram bot. You can use any bot you like. Just follow the bot social media link on this page, or search for our bot social media handle username as seen on the page. Now let's test it. As you can see for yourself, on sending hi or info to the bot, it will reply you with all the instructions on how to use it. Just calm down and read everything carefully and follow the instructions on the page. Let's try to make a purchase via the bot and see if it will work. As written in the instructions sent to us via the bot, there is a place written, and I quote, "See example for buying data." That place is the data purchase example of the format you should follow when chatting with the bot to make purchase. We also have others for airtime and balance checking formats. Now let's follow the format to see if we can buy data via the bot. Just watch the steps as I type down. Note that the email should be the email linked to your do090.com account, comma, followed by the data plan you want, comma, followed by the bundle type. You can see our supported data plan bundle types by checking your dashboard data plan list. In this example, we will be using SME. We also have CG and more, then comma, followed by the network provider of the receiver, comma, followed by the receiver's phone number, comma, followed by your account transaction PIN, then send. Now this a warning to all our bot users. Please after every transaction, please do well to delete every chat containing your account transaction PIN, which you made with our bot. This is a must because your PIN might be exposed if your device or social media account is accessed by someone else. And after sending your message to the bot, you might receive a response such as shown on the screen. Just check your balance and enjoy your purchase. If you have found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you. You can always ask us questions by clicking on the live chat icon floating on the bottom right corner of your screen. We are active and ready to help you. Don't forget that we also have other tutorial videos on your dashboard, like how to make money online and more. Just go to your dashboard and then click on the buy button and scroll down to see them. Play them and learn how to make money online using this platform.